Exciting times for Jamaicans at the World Championships 2023 in Budapest. We just watched the 100-meter heats and it did good. No, we don't have Akeem Blake in it, who has been one of the most consistent this year, but we do have Seville, and I'm pretty hopeful about Seville. Now, the first one saw the British Hughes, who trains in Jamaica, running down Forde. He got the win for that heat in 10 flat. No, the highlight of the heats was actually the last one that we just watched with Seville in it. A lot of delays, people false starts, and Nigeria was out of it sadly. But we're happy to see Seville running the best time so far in the heats in 9.86, looking better than he did at the national trials. So we'll keep you updated on what's happening. Just had to jump on real quick to let you know the current updates as it relates to the 100-meter heat. We'll post the results, the rest of the results in the community.